So there comes the agile framework. Agile framework has the component of value, that is the major component. So agile framework works on the feedback system. That means initiation of a policy, then planning, implementation, and there is recovery or maintenance by looking into the feedback. Now this is the way how agile framework works for the development of certain economic system. When there is lag in certain policy framework, such as जैसे ही कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ फ्रेंड्स, देयर वेर सर्टेन पॉलिसीज इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, वैक्सीनेशन शुरू की गई और भी सारी पॉलिसीज लाई गई, डीबीटी, मनरेगा एज वेल एज वेरियस अदर पॉलिसीज टू टेक केयर ऑफ द पीपल हु वर गोइंग बैक फ्रॉम सिटीज़ टू विलेजेस. माइग्रेंट पॉपुलेशन जो थे वे सिटीज़ से घर जा रहे थे, तो उनकी समस्याओं को देखने के लिए देयर वाज एजाइल अप्रोच, सो दैट द ओवरऑल सिस्टम शुड बी लुक्ड इनटू a very careful way and there should be no threat to the population and no one should lagging behind. So it is based on a feedback loop. Remember friends, ये feedback loop पे काम करता है. It also works on real time monitoring of the actual policies and it also prepared planning matters in the framework, but mostly in scenario of analysis, identification of vulnerable sections, as well as understanding policy option rather than the date prediction in the flow of events. यानी कि इस सिस्टम में हमने पहले इनिशिएशन किया, then there was planning by identification of vulnerable sections. Which sections of the population are vulnerable and which are lagging behind under the threat of COVID-19 and who are going back to their home without any money, without any food grains and having various kind of problems due to COVID pandemic. So taking care of all these things, this was a total process that was an agile approach or loophole based approach for the development of economy. Loophole and feedback based approach. So in this way the three approaches for the mitigation of challenges which we see in the COVID year. कोविड के दौरान हमने ये 3 सिस्टम देखे जो भारत सरकार ने पॉपुलेशन की केयर के लिए लागू किया. First was the waterfall strategy which we discussed. Then second was barbell strategy, how to mitigate the risk and manage the system. And the third is agile framework which makes the loop of the overall system by taking the feedback from the various sections of the society and which are having benefits and which are lagging. Now coming to the next, we will see in more details So yes, this is the diagram which I was telling that agile framework looks into the requirements of the sections under targeted, that is targeted beneficiaries or target vulnerable population were taken into account. Then there was plan for the sections by making planning with the government officials as well as the considered department in various sections. Then there was a design methodology for the development of planning. So designing of the policies which are required for the development of the policies which need to cater the demands of the population which are suffering under COVID pandemic. Then there is development of the policy in order to cater that demand and the release of fund. Then the fund are released and there is track and monitor of the funds and tracking and monitor of the policies under consideration such as Manrega. Okay, now and this is the difference which you need to understand friends. आपको इसके बीच का अंतर जानने की आवश्यकता है, which is very very important for your mains point of view. So agile approach is a continuous cycle, whereas waterfall approach is a ladder based discontinuous or linear process. It is linear in nature. It is small high functioning, यानी कि agile strategy is small high functioning and collaborative teams, and it is upfront planning and in-depth documentation. Waterfall strategy is upfront planning, that is downward movement of the plans and policies will be there, and there is flexible continuous evolution. The evolution in the agile development is flexible and feedback based, यानी कि ये किसी भी समय अगर सरकार को आवश्यकता पड़ती है तो इसे मोड़ा जा सकता है. That means it is flexible and feedback based. Feedback based है, and there is customer involvement also. Feedback taken from the customers as well as the population which is using the benefits of the process, यानी कि बेनिफिशियरीज का भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहेगा. बट इन वाटरफॉल अप्रोच फ्रेंड्स वी सी द बेनिफिशियरीज फीडबैक इज नॉट प्रेजेंट, नो फीडबैक. सो कैसे गवर्नमेंट को पता चलेगा कि कहाँ तक पॉलिसी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हुई है नहीं हुई है, बेनिफिट्स किस लेवल तक पहुँची है या नहीं पहुँची है. दैट इज लैगिंग इन द वाटरफॉल अप्रोच. एंड देयर इज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नेगोशिएशंस. There are negotiations in the process of waterfall approach, but there is no negotiation in agile framework, and it is simple and unchanging project. So it is unchanging, there is no flexibility. That means it has rigidity. So waterfall framework has a drawback that it is rigid in nature, and it is unchanging, and the close project manager involvement is there. Then there is involvement of the authorities which are looking into the project which is under waterfall framework. But in the agile loop there is always close monitoring of the projects which are under the consideration by the district development officers, BDO, CO, Gram Panchayat, by continuously taking the feedback from each and every point sources. So इसे हम याद रखेंगे, very very important for your mains point of view, GS paper 3 economics as well as economics optional.